Hello YouTube viewers, I'm doing something new today. I am restoring this like 200-year-old axe head. It's been in my family for a while. A long while. I'm gonna put my phone like that. You can see me, right? Yeah, you can see me. Yeah. Got my boy shirt on my favorite YouTube channels. But, yeah, so I've just been sanding the ever-loving bejesus out of this thing for like the last 20 minutes. I'll flip it around, you can see the other side. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, that's like rusted all to hell. This side's getting shiny. I also sharpened it, so. Yeah, I'll probably work on this side more later. Let's start on the rusty side. I still gotta work on now. So, I don't know what grit sandpaper this is. It's been rubbed off after years and years. These are all my grandpa's tools, but wipe the surface rust that I just ground off. Even that, just that little bit, made it look a lot better than it did before. I'm gonna put my hair up. Nobody needs to see that today. I didn't wash it last night properly, so it's pretty bad. Yeah, this is a new type of video for me. It's just gonna be one long take, because I need to try something new. I need to diversify my channel, content and all that. Just, not really, but I just want to do this for fun. There we go, that's the perfect framing. You can see the top of my head now. And all of my stuff that's up there. Here's the original handle that it's on. Pretty old as a hand axe. But yeah, so this is 240 grit sandpaper. I don't have anything higher. I don't believe I have anything higher. I can't find anything if I do. I'm just gonna rip my sandpaper and my glove. Let's see, is that works somewhat. Try to not get WD-40 on my shirt. There we go. Got that. More of this. Starting to be able to see it a little bit better. And I think that tarnished it a little. Oops. Well, I've never used WD-40 for this type of metal. I think it's, yeah, that's steel. I have another axe that I restored. It's up in my room. That was just, I think, a normal axe you buy like Home Depot. It was just rusty as all get out, so I put WD-40 on it and it worked better. Also didn't like do this and put patina on it or whatever that is. Patina, not patina, oxidization. Sorry about this. I'm sorry about my commentary. I don't know what I'm talking about, if you can't already tell. It's like my first time doing this. I wonder if my file would work on this side because it's flat. Let me see. Nah, it's not completely flat, so it's just gonna get these sides. Yeah, that's fine too. Let me rub that surface. That's getting better. Yeah. I do have a wire brush, but I don't have a drill. That's what my phone's being propped up on, so I can't really use that. I'd have to stop this video and restart everything. But I think this is going pretty well. Here, I'm going to start on, you can't see it, but it's that part. Here's the hard part, trying to get into where the bench pipe is. A number coming? I think that's a serial number coming through on that. Oh wait, I have a triangle file I could use. Oops. Ow. Hit my kneecap, that hurt. So, just one thing while I'm in the middle of this. If anybody that sees this, I doubt it because I don't get very much coverage. I don't really care. This is a passion project. Anybody who sees this and likes this type of content, just let me know in the comments. I'll keep doing this with some of the other rusty tools that I have in my garage. Like I have some old rusty saws I could probably restore or get all the rust off. It's not restoration really. It's getting all the rust and crap off. That spot's gonna be particularly hard. But yeah, if you'd like to see that, I mean, just let me know. Put in the comments. And I'm not gonna be one of those sellouts that says share, subscribe, whatever. Just write a comment. That's all I care about. I don't care about getting subscribers. This is a passion project for me right now. Documenting what I'm doing as like a 17, 18-year-old. 17 right now. Birthday's coming up soon. But yeah, this is just documenting for myself later in life to see what I was up to right about now as a young adult. Getting ready to finish high school. Actually, after I finish this recording, I gotta go study for my ACT. Yeah, that's gonna be great. I have it in like a couple 3 weeks. But it's finally nice enough to be in my garage for longer than 2 minutes. We had a cold front come in. Got snow for like 2 weeks, and now it's finally warming up. So yeah, decided to do this today. Could be riding my bike, but I'm getting a new bike anyways. The one I have is too small. Okay, I mean, this is a bunch of trial and error right now. Try to see if I can get that little. I need like a scraping tool for that. I have this file, I might be able to use that. Oh yeah, I can use this. Hey, there we go, I see something. Yeah, it's just gunk and muck and whatever. Just built up right there over all these years. Yeah, it's the same tarnish as like the rest of this down here. I probably won't upload for a little while after this because I'm going to be busy. I'm working on my Eagle Scout project for Boy Scouts. I'm almost done. I have meetings coming up to get it approved so I can start doing my thing. There's a park nearby my house. I'm going to remove a bunch of invasive species like honeysuckle, which is the biggest one I'm removing. And I'm going to plant a bunch of native plants. And it's going to be great. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I might not upload during that time, like for like 3 months-ish. I might make some shorts or something, but yeah. Hell, I might record it so I can make a montage of it or something. That's starting to look better. Yeah, that's starting to look good. Flip it around to the other side. Oh, there's some more WD-40 on that. Like, let me just turn it like this, actually. And why does my shirt feel wet? That's not good. I just got this shirt, man. I hope it doesn't get WD-40 on it. Wipe this real quick. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna make really much progress on that because that's all really tarnished and bad. I'd have to get not angle grinder. I'd have to get this wire bit out and just scrape all that. Yeah, I'd have to get this bit on the drill. That's my phone propped up on. Use that on that tarnish, patina, whatever it is. Okay, let me grab this. Yeah, pretty good. Here, I can show the side I was just working on a minute ago. Look at how shiny that already got. Just with that little bit of me working on it. If the video randomly gets shaky and loud, my mom is going to be home and I'm in the garage. So if that randomly happens and I just really quickly sign off, that's probably why. Sorry about that. Like, there's nothing that I can do. Can't really check my phone while I have this recording. How long am I going for? Like 12 minutes? Dang, dude. It's actually something I like instead of like me not doing commentary on the Minecraft video and it getting copyright. Because you can't have music in, even if you give. It's fine. That was annoying. I put the credits to the music, and it still didn't struck, but it said just copyright under that video now, which that's great. But the recording quality was actual ass on that too. Hair is starting to fall out of my hat. Yeah, you definitely tell why there's a sand line right there. That's kind of funny. That's not gonna work too well. Let's keep doing these. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. I can already tell. It's going to be kind of shiny. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's coming through, finally. See, this is the problem with like modern day tools. They get rusty and people just throw them away. All they need is a little TLC and they'll be fine. Like, let's say the axe that I restored. Normally, somebody would have just thrown that out because, A, it's rusty and it's dull. It just needed a little WD-40 and some TLC, and it was back to being normal. A normal, sharp, beautiful, shiny axe. So, everything in today is made with, like, built-in, what's that word? Can't think of the word. You probably know what I'm talking about. But, like, it goes bad after, like, a couple of years. Like, phones. The batteries are limited, and they go bad after, like, 6-ish years. Yeah, we just need to start making stuff like we used to back in the older times, like the 20s and the 30s, and that's not that old, but get my point, like stuff that can last a long time and still work perfectly. Like, manufacturer redundancies, that's what it is, I think. I don't care about the retention time, but I can tell there's gonna be a retention dip after first start this, because nobody really finds blacksmithing that, or not blacksmithing, but like this stuff really that interesting, besides like a little niche group, which sucks. This is really interesting and it's cool. I wonder if this magnet will pick up. Well, shit. Come on. Pick up the whole damn desk. There we go. I didn't mean for that to happen. I just wanted to pick up all the rust dust. See if that would really pick it up. He doesn't. Okay, now what have we learned? Oh, cool, that's cool. Picking up all the dusts and stuff from the table, though. Another kind of cool thing I have out here that I'm not really going to show because YouTube will destroy me. I have a 9mm casing that I found at a shooting range for Boy Scouts. I turned it into a necklace. It's empty, of course. It's already fired, so I just put it on my vise with a towel around it, and I knocked the primer, the old primer out. Or not the primer, the, what is it? The little thingy. Yeah, the primer. It is the primer. I was right. The little primer cap out. I just put a screw through it and I made it into a necklace, and it's really cool. I'm very happy with myself. And I'm getting distracted again, but another cool thing that I own, an old street light that I found when I was at my Eagle Scout project site. We were doing a trash cleanup. We were just curious, and we were looking around. Found an old street light on the ground. Really old, nice street light bulb. Anyway, focus, James. Oh yeah, if you didn't already know, that's my name, James. ADHD is fun, except when it isn't. And then I might start uploading stuff about dinosaurs, because that's what I'm going to study in college. So, yeah, that's going to be cool. Anyway, I'm getting distracted again. The ADHD is winning. Come on. Wipe. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. You can see like the focus. There we go. You can see the line where the block couldn't reach. That's cool. Is there any height difference? There's a minuscule, I'm talking like I can barely see it. A minuscule difference in height. Wow. I'm getting proud of myself doing this. I can look back at the start of this video now and see this was all covered in rust and shit when I started. And I got all that stuff off, and that makes me feel accomplished. Now that I think about it, the word I used earlier, redundancies, is not correct. So I'll have to think. I'll put it in the comments. I'll pin it or something. I need a wire brush. That'd be amazing to have. Not like a drill bit, but just an actual brush. Like just do that. I have to go to Home Depot and get that now. Let's see. Do I have any other tools I could probably use? Not that I'm easily able to get. I mean, I got a bunch of wood planks over there and shit that I need cleaned. Anything in here? My little tool chest that I. Ow! Come on. Oh crap! I almost fell. I just fell. onto my ass. Ow. Aha, I do have some stuff in here. Never mind, it's just one piece of sandpaper. How depressing. It's a piece of sandpaper and then it's a bunch of screws and stuff. That's great. Ooh, I wonder if this will pick up all its rust dust. Yeah, it will. Ah, that's cool. Yeah, how dirty the thing is now. How long have we been going on? Oh wow, 21 minutes. Oh, wow. I'm very happy. Good way to get out some of my excess energy at the end of the day. Everything happening in the world right now, I just don't know what I'm going to do, so thought I'd make this as just a test, so. I gotta run inside my house real quick. I gotta see what time it is, like in actual time. It is like 4:23 in the afternoon. Okay. Oh, this is how long my hair is, and it's a mess. I know, but it goes like right here ish. Pretty long hair. I've been growing out since, oh god. Been growing it out since really COVID started and couldn't go get a haircut when I was like, what, that mouse shit? Okay. Since I was like 13, I haven't gotten my hair cut. I've got it trimmed, I haven't got it fully cut. Sorry about my little distraction. I thought I saw a mouse crap. It's not, it's just a burn mark in the desk. This is on. Okay, let me do this. Ooh, holy crap. I burned through the paper. Ah. That's kind of funny. Show us your beautiful shiny face. Do do do. It's getting there. Probably need more WD-40. Actually, here, I wonder. Do I have another drill? I don't. It's not easily accessible. It'd be really good if I could, though. Oh, that's not even a drill bit. That's a Dremel bit. Never mind. I wouldn't be able to use this anyway. Oops. Duh. Yeah. This is the one. Throwing through the paper on. Oh, if anybody sees this before he streams it, I submitted my room tour to Jay Schlatt because I watch his content sometimes. Thought it'd be cool. When he streams, I might get reacted to a little bit. It's probably not gonna be in the video. It's nothing special, but I think it's cool. So. Oh, cool, that side is getting really shiny. Hell yeah. Also, if you hear me swearing a lot, I swear a moderate amount. I just use them like normal words unless I'm insulting somebody. Then I just use them like normal words. And I think of them as normal words unless I'm insulting somebody. So, yeah. if you hear me say, ah, shit, it's just an adjective to me. So, sorry about that. These videos aren't made for kids anyway. I mark it on when I upload it. Let's see, does this one work? Oh, that one looks like a dream. Holy hell. Oh, that's how that works. Okay. Put that like that so it won't move. There we go. Okay. Figured it out. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be better. I can already tell. How sharp is that stick? I have to resharpen that after I'm done with this. Try to get that little spot out. Come on. Oh yeah, that's going. That's really nice, actually. Oh, you can see the wear from my glove in this. Ooh, ooh, that glove. Oh, God. I need to remind myself to wash these. God, I use these for work normally. There we go. Damn, almost 30 minutes. Yeah, you can see the coating on the bottom. Pull that off. How nice that is. Trying to reflect it. There we are. How nice that looks. Looks super good. Look more on this side now. I could do this for hours, man. This is awesome. Actually, here, let me just wipe all that crap I just did off, and I can sharpen this. I can show how I sharpen this. So damn it, okay, come on. Haven't got anything on my shirt. Good. That's why this. I got crap all over my shirt. So I've got a triangle file here, and I just run it along like this. It's gonna be. It might hurt people's ears. I'm not sure. It's got crap all over. That's why it's not working. Here, let me get the other one. With your fingers. There we go. There we are. Most of it out. There we are. actually. God, okay. Secure it like I thought it was. Okay. Alright, moving. I'd use a whetstone, but I don't have one out here. And if I do, I just can't find it. Okay. Any paper out there? I don't, besides sandpaper and that. Yeah. Use sandpaper. What else do I have there? Just this file, it should be fine. Ain't that dirty? Still going, yeah, 31 minutes. Going 30 minutes strong. Probably gonna end this off soon, just because got other stuff to do. Okay. Any paper? I don't think I have any. I do. Holy shit. Kind of worked. I need probably a finer thing. Yeah, it's got like little pock marks, I can tell. You just resharpen it if I fuck it up. I made it duller. Dumb it. Damn it. I mean, Jesus. I can't speak today. Cutting up the glove real nice. Something along it here. See, that make it worse or better? That made it a lot better. Holy Jesus. Damn. That's sharp as all hell. Oy vey. That would hurt. Just do one quick little wipe all this shit off. There we are. And for now, this is what I've done. So, it's not going to pick it up, I can already tell. Nice like that. Really shiny on the edge. And now, I put this back down, and I tell you, thank you very much for watching this random video that I decided to make. Thank you. If you like this type of content, just put it in the comment section, or like this type of content, put it in the comment section, sorry. Words are hard. But yeah, if you liked it, stick around. I might make more stuff like this. If you didn't, I don't really care. I mean, you can leave. This is just my hobby right now, so yeah, thank you all for watching this bullshit that I made. Oh gosh. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, YouTube goobers.